Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Where are we going? Ariana Grande vibes hair, old school Jerusha front vibes, very 2012. And it's appropriate because I'm using my Laura Mercier non-wrinkle clips to hold my little ding situation going on. The Cousins chain. I wear, so many people ask when I wore it as a bracelet. Now it's MC Hammer vibes with my L&M tee. Stop. Caught off guard. Okay, to also add in here, the winner of my double facets Chanel mirror from the last video. I announced it on the next sit down video from the last sit down video. Every sit down video I give away a Chanel Beauty double facets mirror. It is my go-to. If you've watched these last 4 videos, I am giving away these because I have to explain, this is my all-time favorite item. It is so thin, it is a mirror, it fits down inside any of your mini bags, inside your little catch-all, and it is so beautiful, and it's a piece of Chanel. The story I told is a subbie mentioned that my world is so enchanting to watch. All of this is just so enchanting. She could never ever in her lifetime afford it, but loves watching my videos to kind of escape. I told you it hit home. It hurt in a way. I was just like, I want to give it all away. I want you to feel it. I want you to have a piece of it. So, because this is my favorite item, yes, it's Chanel Beauty, but I'm giving it one away every sit down video to you guys. But the winner from the last sit down video is Tracy Newell. Hi babe, you have won a Chanel double facets mirror from me to you. You are so gorgeous and so supportive, and I'm so happy to be able to ship one of these out to you. So the way you can win one in these sit down videos is subscribe to my channel below. There is a button. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment below anything you want to tell me. Just comment and I will choose the winner personally myself. Me. It can only be me, no one else, okay? It's perfect timing for Laura Mercier clips because thank you to today's video sponsor, none other than Laura Mercier. This is their blush collection, the Rosy Glow collection. Honestly, these sort of stuff, any type of glow, any type of just a little ding with any of the creams, even just the powders to brush on and run out, is just fire right now. So the actual collection is really quite massive and across the board. Again, Laura Mercier is so inclusive to skin tones. That's what they do. You know, a lot of brands are doing that now, realizing we ain't all the same skin tone, okay? I'm reflective, I'm blue, I'm so white and blue. So, in the collection, we have the Rosy Glow Blush Color Fusion, we have the Rosy Glow Highlight Powder, and the Rosy Glow Sheer Lipstick. Here is their campaign. Gorgeous as usual. So let's get all of this out. Okay, so they have sent me out each item, which is amazing. So we have the highlight powder, we have the blush color fusion, and they've sent that in 2 colors, and then they've sent out the 3 sheer lipsticks. Okay, let's go over them here. This is the 3 sheer lips that they've sent out. Gorgeous as usual packaging. This is the highlight powder, and these are the 2 blushes. So thank you so much to Laura Mercier for sponsoring this video, sending out your new Rose Glow collection. It is absolutely stunning. You can pick this up on their website. They are also stocked in Sephora. I think they are also stocked in department stores. I will leave all of the links to it below, but thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. I feel proud wearing my clips for the video. So they are with me in my hair as well. If you watch this vlog, thank you so much. I know it was a bit of shenanigans. We went out with our friends. If you didn't catch it, I will leave it here and the link. Please go back and watch it. Because when I made the heading, Sexy Boys, it was literally because every comment was about our group of friends. They're Will's close friends, you know, Nanny Mel's brother Tom, and so on and so forth, and they're all just our really good mates, but they're all ridiculously handsome. They, hands down, they're so handsome, beautiful, beautiful boys, and everybody was making comment about that. We stayed in the city. It was my 10-year wedding anniversary, and hubby bought me this. If you watched that vlog, thank you so much. Here is the card with the whole authenticity cards and numbers and codes and things like that. We shopped at the new Maison. Again, if you watch that vlog, breathtaking, okay? I became best friends with the concierge. He gave me his card. Honestly, I was just like, we need to go for a cocktail. Oh my God, sister, you are the zhuzh. He was like, I've been so bored all day and you are just so fun. He let me sit in the diamond room, and it has like an electric curtain if you watch the vlog. I just had such a great time. And that's what you want, especially at these prices, especially these high-end luxury brands with, you know, fine jewelry. That's what you want. You want a good time, you want to have a nice atmosphere. Usually they offer you, you know, tea, coffee, champagne, water, whatever you want. And it's just such a beautiful feeling. And in that Maison, listen, if you haven't been there in Sydney, get your ass there. Jerusha said so. They threw in their Le Panther scent. I've smelt it before. It's strong. I think it's meant to be unisex, but this is the Eau de Parfum. It's not really my vibe. Here is our amazing CARTIER packaging. Okay, if anything, it is about this packaging, the accordion fold and the wax seal. On the spot, they do it, hot stamp out the back. That is how this is actually packaged. I'm going to turn the camera around and do a proper unboxing so you can see. Okay, so this is the packaging up close. This is probably super close. I'm filming this on my phone. But oh my God, you guys. It's nice to sometimes save the wax seal. I've done that on my other pieces as well. But to unpackage it here, and let's get it out of the box with you guys. There we go, a little editing cutaway there. There is our beautiful packaging, accordion style. And here is our little red box, like so. Gorgeous, beautiful. These boxes, you guys, never get rid of them. Not only because obviously they're exquisite and the item costs so much money, but the point is they are reusable. So let's go ahead and show you pressing the button. Ha, beautiful. I'm not sure if you can see it from there. I am a little bit further away on my big ADSL and it's manual focus, but I'll do some cutaways. But that is the small Juste un Clou thin size ring to fit my pointer finger on this hand, again if you watch the vlog, and that is my 10-year anniversary gift from my husband, and it is in yellow gold and it is so dainty and beautiful. And I explained, but I wanted to do this setup because I have the full size love ring. I felt a little bit too hipster, a little bit too old to be able to pull off a pointer finger ring because I feel like it's a little bit hipster. It's a little bit too cool for me. But for it to be on like my wedding band finger on my right hand, it just clashed, like it hit so much. So that is the full size love, and that is a thin Juste un Clou ring to match my setup of the full Juste un Clou in yellow gold bracelet and the thin love in yellow gold bracelet. So it's kind of like an opposite situation going on, and I really like that. I am so thankful and honored to be able to be gifted items like this from my husband. And yeah, 10 years, you know, hang in there. Hang in there. If you've just got married, congratulations. It's fun. It's a fun ride. We're best friends. We were best friends before. We're best friends now. So this is my anniversary gift. This is one of the boxes I had. It might have been for Will's watch, I think. So I took the top level of it off, and underneath it acts as a jewelry box. So this sits next to my bed. This has all of my fine small chains and all of my everyday hoops, and that just sits next to my bed like so. And that's what they make so great for. So never ever get rid of your Cartier boxes and packaging and the little dust bags. It might start to seem like a lot, but they're just amazing for that purpose. Oh my gosh, so that is it, guys. I hope you liked my quick unboxing from Cartier for my anniversary gift. I feel very young and hipstery that it's on my pointer finger, but that's all good. We can pretend we're 18, 25 again. That's all good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, there is a button below, guys. I would super appreciate that. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I hope everybody is doing well. I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Peace.